A lot of people come to us, they think credit repair is a solution. Not all the time, Dave.
When should I consider getting the services of a credit repair specialist like yourself?
90% of our clientele comes referral only. So if you come to us, it's because you've determined they need our help, right? They probably either tried it on their own to fix their credit, but because of so many layers behind, so many secret myths and stuff like that, they try, they can't figure it out. They go to you, they're like, oh, I think I'm ready to buy a house. Then you say, well, credit issue. Based on your assessment, we look at it, and then we put a plan together to see, do they really need our service? Because a lot of people come to us, they think credit repair is a solution. Not all the time, Dave. And we'll be able to tell them that. Say, you know what? If you pay this bill, you should be good. Sometimes a wait time. They just gotta wait. You know, they're new to credit. There's nothing much we could do. They just have to season in to wait. Because did you know that in order for them to buy a house, they have to have a FICO score?
So we partnered with Arthur and his team to help you guys grow and meet your goals in life. If you're ready, you click that link. It'll connect you with his team. We can get the ball rolling there. And also make sure you click that other link with the book. Buy Arthur's book. It's awesome. I promise you, it will educate you. It will open your eyes in such a way that no one else could explain it.